The blood volume in the human body can vary depending on age, health status, and gender of the person. On average, a healthy adult body contains about 5 liters of blood. The human body looks like a fine-tuned machine with amazing working mechanisms. Each system works in harmony with each other, fully and effectively. All of them are equally important for the healthy functioning of the body. Blood is one of the vital components of the circulatory system, including the heart and blood vessels. It is a known fact that the heart pumps blood that flows through blood vessels and reaches all parts of the body. Do you have any idea about the total amount of blood in the human body? The amount of blood in the human body. Did you know that about 7 to 8% of the human body is made up of blood? A healthy adult with a body weight of 60 kilograms contains about 4.2 to 4.8 liters of blood. Therefore, body weight is one of the factors that determine the amount of blood in the human body. Other factors include age, gender, and health status. Generally, women have slightly less blood than men. Adults have more blood in their bodies than in children. People living at higher altitudes have more blood in their bodies than those living at low altitudes. It was determined that there was 1.8 liters more blood than those living at sea level. High-altitude zones have low atmospheric oxygen. People who live in such places have more blood to feed their body cells with enough oxygen. Blood volume test. How is blood volume measured? A blood volume test is done to determine the total amount of blood in the body, as well as the volume of red blood cells and plasma. There are different methods of calculating blood volume. Many of these tests are based on the principle of dilution and use of tracers such as dyes or radioactive chromium. The tracer is injected into the blood and the degree of dilution is recorded to calculate the blood volume. There are several medical conditions that cause blood volume abnormalities. Blood loss may occur for other reasons, such as surgery. These conditions require a blood volume test so that the amount of blood, plasma and red blood cells in the body can be determined. This test includes hypertension, congestive heart failure, syncope, septic shock, kidney failure, etc. It helps in assessing the condition of people. The test is also polycythemia, high red cell level, anemia, low red cell level, hypovolemia, low blood volume, and hypervolemia, high blood volume. Although very rare, the test can sometimes trigger serious allergic reactions. How many liters of blood loses in human body endangers his life? In short, the volume of blood in the human body is 5 liters, and some medical conditions, surgeries, injuries, etc. It may fall due. It is said that a blood loss of up to 15% of the total volume can be tolerated by a healthy adult, without any serious signs and symptoms. However, blood loss exceeding this limit can cause serious symptoms and complications if immediate medical attention is not desired. The average person can lose a maximum of 30% to 40% of the total blood volume and survive if treated promptly. Blood functions. It performs many important functions such as blood, nutrients and oxygen transport to the body's cells. It also removes waste from cells. Blood is responsible for transporting hormones and chemicals to various parts of the body. It also plays a vital role in keeping excess body temperature out of the skin and keeping body temperature constant. Blood is an important component of the immune system, as it contains white blood cells that attack foreign substances and pathogens that enter the body. Blood platelets can clot and stop bleeding from wounds and other injuries. Blood coagulation is considered the body's self-repair mechanism, which can be fatal, preventing further blood loss. Kidneys play an important role in maintaining blood volume.